my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just picking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the four-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep. I wanna see the light. See the light. I wanna 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 see
Alright guys, I wanted to wrap up this cleaning video with a voiceover. I've really been enjoying putting in the music that I found, the what is it called? No copyright sounds. So I've really been enjoying putting that music in for you guys instead of the music I have been putting in and voiceovers all the time. But I thought I would kind of explain why I was doing my cleaning this way and all that kind of stuff. Alex and I had planned on taking down the Christmas tree the next day, so I was just trying to get the house kind of decluttered and somewhat put together. So, like the kitchen table, I was trying to get that cleaned up and all the laundry put away and all that kind of stuff. And I wanted to clean the kitchen anyway, and I always feel like you guys need kitchen cleaning motivation anyway, so I always like filming those for you guys anyway. But yeah, we ended up splitting the cleaning up in 2 days, kind of. We took down the Christmas tree the next day, and Alex ended up vacuuming and all that kind of stuff for me because I just haven't been feeling great. But anyway, hope you liked it. Like, comment, subscribe, and as always, live life in full bloom. And I will see you guys later. Bye.